about the concepts of JavaScript. In JavaScript, variables are the containers for storing information. Creating a variable in JavaScript is called declaring a variable. You can declare variables using the keywords let, const, or where. Examples like here we took the keyword let and we assigned the name as Priyanka, and in console we gave name. The output will be given as Priyanka. And the key differences are where is older and function scoped, while let and const are block scoped. Const is for variables whose values don't change. And the second one is arrays. Arrays are collections of values stored in a single variable. You can access array elements using their index. In JavaScript, arrays are resizable and can contain a mix of different data types. In JavaScript, arrays are not associative. Arrays are list-like objects and they come with numerous built-in methods that help manipulate data. To create an array, there are two types of main ways to create an array: using square brackets and using array constructors. Here in example, we took square brackets. Accessing elements, you can access array elements using their index. Like common array methods are firstly push, pop, shift, unshift, length, concat, slice, splice, index of. For each. Here in the brackets, we give three elements like apple, banana, and cherry. And to console the length, we gave the fruits.length and the output will be 3. This will be started by taking the index value as 0. Functions. Functions are the blocks of code that perform a specific task. Function is executed when something invokes it or calls it. Functions can be used multiple times, reducing redundancy. Here in the function greet off, we gave the name, and to console, we gave hello, comma, and the name after that, we gave an apostrophe mark. In the output, we'll get hello, comma, Priya apostrophe. Fourth one is objects. Objects are collection of key values pairs. You can access object properties using dot notation or bracket notation. And in JavaScript, object is an entity having state and behavior, like properties and methods. Here, the let keyword, we assigned name as Priyanka and age as 30. To console, we gave age in the square brackets and the output will become 30. And the fifth one is loops. Loops are used to repeat a block of code for a specified number of iterations. Typically, a certain block or process is done, such as getting an item of data and changing it. And then some condition is checked, such as whether a counter has reached a prescribed number. There are like 5 types of loops. The first one is for loop, and the second one is from here. This is while loop, and third is do while loop, and fourth is for off loop, and fifth one is for in loop. And in for loop, we took the condition in the for and we given the console of I. The output will become 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. And in while loop, we gave the initialization after the let keyword and condition in while, and we console I. And after that, we'll do increment. The output will become 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. And in do while loop, we give a keyword let and we initialize it with 0. In do, we console I and increment it. And in while, we give condition. And the output will be 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. In for of loop, to let we assign fruits of in square bracket we give apple, banana and the elements what you want, and in for we console it and the output will become the elements we gave in the square brackets. And in for in loop, for let for person we assign a name as John Doe and age as 30, and in for we console it. The output will become name as John Doe and age as 30. Thank you.